Okay, in the previous video, I have forgotten to show you the Next.js rendering. I showed you the JavaScript bare minimum rendering, but in the Next.js, we are getting a lot of things. Say if I looking for this portion over here, I will get it. So it means that title meta tag is rendering as it is comes from the server directly. So Google bot doesn't need to wait over here. You will get its required things and he can index the page. So this is the advantage for SEO. But these are not the ultimate solution, not CSR, not SSR, but ultimate the solution is this one, React Server component. So in the same page, we are getting different sort of rendering. Say this navigation is client component, footer is client component, but rest of the thing, if you wish, you can keep server component if SEO is important. Say blog title is needed, blog detail is needed, related blog is needed. So you can keep these things as a server component. Okay. So client component will render in the Java in the client. So HTML will not be there initially, and footer HTML will not need it at all because it doesn't need to be indexed by the Google crawler or bot. But server component is needed. I need SEO blog title for SEO. I need blog detail description for SEO. So this is the ultimate solution. In the same page, you can do separate sort of rendering according to your necessity. So okay, so React is unique for that. Okay, it gives you several options. So in the previous video I told you both are not the ultimate solution, but our ultimate solution is that. Okay, say you may have the in the footer you may have the interaction like social media something or anything else, or in the it has the interaction, but you can it has no interaction, so you can use it as a server component. So server component means it will render in the server then directly send to the client, so instantly Google crawler will get these things for its requirements. So Google crawler will be satisfied. So in the same page you are doing client component and server component. So this is the ultimate solution, and this give you a tremendous unique result that is failed in CSR or SSR. Okay, so I think if you got my point. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you don't understand, let me know. I will clarify it once again. So stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.